Hello, I'm Princess Elise. We will hear about Sonic 2020 Synopsis. Here, Sonic is so realistic. But still he's a blue hedgehog. He comes to Earth to escape malevolent forces that seek to harness his power of super speed. Sonic observed the local youth baseball playoffs and saw a young baseball batter high-five his teammates. That night, Sonic went into the vacant baseball field and plays by himself, using his speed to assume the roles of all the players. But his sadness only turns to anger and frustration at his situation, his emotions building and causing electricity to emit from his body. When Tom was on the phone with Maddie, who has flown out to San Francisco to check out their future house, as well as to visit her sister Rachel and niece JoJo, the noise turns out to be Sonic, who broke into the shed so he would have a safe place to use one of his rings. Shortly after, Tom brings Sonic inside, placing him in a dog cage. He compares him to the quill he found and realizes that Crazy Carl's Blue Devil may be real after all. Sonic awakens and climbs out of the cage, and the two finally meet for real just as Robotnik's truck arrives. Shortly after the statement, Sonic, who had only been dazed by Robotnik's attack, opens his eyes and gets to his feet, his body supercharged with electric energy, some of which he siphons from the quill of his Robotnik is using, returning his craft to its normal speed. When the fight was over, the electricity arsing from Sonic's body fades after strikes it with a final spin attack, and he returns to his normal state as the townspeople cheer for him. So, this has been a summarized synopsis of Sonic 2020. Like, comment, and subscribe now.